Hey y'all, it's Brian from Chesapeake Angler Maryland Fishing Line. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm headed back over to Mallows Bay once again. I need 2 more fish to put on my tournament leaderboard, so hopefully we can get those today. I've got a cold front coming in with a little bit of rain this afternoon, but it's sunny and blue skies now, so I'm not sure what's going on. It's May weather, so God, who knows? You know, it's just bizarre. The weather this spring has been strange to say the least. Super warm and hot early, and then cold. There's actually, I think, north and west of the city, there's actually a freeze warning tonight. For some reason, it's decided that winter is going to make a last stand. So I don't know, that might help me out today. Fish might sense that and want to hop on a bait, so we'll see. Hopefully we're going to put some fish in the boat, so y'all stick around and enjoy the video. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Right there. That's what I'm looking for. Right there, boys. That's what I'm looking for. Long and skinny. Oh, and I lost my paddle. That's okay. I'll go back and get it. big boy. That's what I'm after right there, 16 inches. Yes, sir. GoPro start recording. So that's another trip back over to Mallows Bay. One good fish in the boat, 16 inches. Another little dink boat, little dink fish. Can't amount to much, 9.5, 10 inches, something like that. I missed one good strike on a chatterbait, a short bit. We got a cold front coming in, probably the last video for a few days. Hey, if you haven't yet, check us out on Instagram at Chesapeake Angler, pretty easy to remember. And also, if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button. It really helps us to grow the channel, and it keeps things going over here. So if you haven't checked us out on the website, either it's ChesapeakeAnglerMag.com. You can look there, or you can look at MarylandFishingLine.com. You will eventually land on us. So thanks for watching the video, and until next time, y'all stay safe in the time of Rona, and tight lines.